What are the best sources to get your financial news? With such a widespread availability of financial information, it can be pretty challenging to know which sources to trust or rely on. In this video, I want to explore some of the best places to go to get accurate and relevant financial news, as well as how you can use this information to create and adapt your investment strategy. So first, let's talk about financial news websites. There are many websites that will provide you up-to-date information on markets, the economy, and specific websites. Some of the most popular and trusted and respected websites include Reuters, Bloomberg, and the Wall Street Journal. These websites provide in-depth analysis and reporting on the financial markets and are a pretty good source of information for investors looking to stay informed about current events and market trends. Next up, a classic source that is worth taking a look is Twitter, of course. Twitter is especially a great source of information when it comes to economic indicators and data releases. If you're looking to get your news in a timely fashion, Twitter is the best place. You can follow many organizations like the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the Federal Reserve, the US Treasury to stay informed about important economic indicators such as GDP, unemployment, interest rates. You can also use Twitter's search functions to search for specific keywords related to the economy, such as GDP, unemployment, things of that nature. Twitter's a pretty great place to find information about publicly traded companies, including their financial performance, news, and analyst recommendations. You can directly follow the companies that you're invested in. You can also follow financial analysts and news organizations that cover the stock market. By using Twitter's search function, you can also search for specific words related to companies, such as Apple's earning report or Tesla stock news. You can also follow other investors and traders to see what they're saying about specific stocks, sectors, and the economy as a whole. This can provide many very valuable perspectives and help you make informed investment decisions. Of course, depending on where you're getting your news from within Twitter, especially coming from financial influencers or traders or investment professionals, there could be a risk of being exposed to news that is potentially biased or possibly even false. It really depends of your own usage of Twitter. I think that Twitter is an awesome tool and I use it every single day. If you're interested in following the same people that I do, I'm going to put the link to my handle in the description below. Alright, so moving on from Twitter, let's talk about financial news apps, which are available on your smartphones or tablets and provide real-time updates and alerts on financial markets. Some of the most popular ones are Yahoo Finance, Google Finance, and CNBC. These apps provide quick and easy access to financial news and market data, and they're a convenient way to stay informed while on the go. Another great source of financial news is financial television shows such as CNBC's Squawk Box, Bloomberg Markets, and Fox Business Network's Mornings with Maria, which provide live coverage of financial markets, and they often bring in experts to analyze financial markets. This is also a great way of learning about how markets work if you're a beginner, and it can help you stay informed, of course. And finally, let's talk about financial advisors and brokers. These are people who are experts in financial markets and can provide very valuable insights and advice about how to create and adapt an investment portfolio to your needs specifically. These professionals can help you navigate the financial landscape and provide guidance on how to invest your money for the best possible returns. They can also offer services outside of the investment world when it comes to stuff like insurance, trusts, mortgages, financial planning, things of that sort. And finally, speaking about a great place to get financial news is from the company's investor relations websites themselves. So what you got to do, you just type Tesla Investor Relations, for instance, and there you're going to find a whole wealth of information, presentations about their financial reports, their future guidance. You can find shareholder letters, 10Ks, 10Qs, spreadsheets. Whenever I'm looking to dive deep into a company's financial metrics and I want to learn more about the business, that is the place to go, without a doubt. So, in conclusion, there's a lot of places to get your financial news that will be very useful for your investment portfolio and any decisions you have to take. What I always say is, with research comes confidence. By staying informed about market trends, the economy, the companies that you're investing in. It'll help you make informed decisions about your investments and build a strong, diversified portfolio, whether you choose to rely on financial news websites, Twitter, apps, TV shows, brokers, or simply going to investor relations pages. The key takeaway is to stay informed and make informed investment decisions. If there is anything I can do to help you out with this process, or if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to leave them in the description below. If you appreciate this video, if you wouldn't mind just dropping a like for me, that would be very appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.